50 days from today, you're going to pick this call. CSIR net exam is calling. But the question to be asked is, are you ready? Have you done the revision enough? Have you done the practice enough? Well, truth be told, we always feel that we should do more, right? Well, that is why Biotechnica is starting the Raftaar batch for CSIR net from today. Yes, you heard me right. And in this Raftaar batch, we are going to do a quick revision. We are also going to make sure that we will be practicing as many Part C, Part B, and Part A questions. You will be doing question sessions, interactive sessions with our faculties daily for 1.5 hours. And you will be able to solve more than 5,000 questions in the next 50 days. I think the time has come to pick this call. What are you waiting for? The link for Raftaar batch is given below, and the 25% discount expires today at 9 p.m. So do not delay. Pick this call today.